Hello students, welcome to Easy English YouTube channel. Today I will discuss some important short questions and answers of LEG written by Gray, BA English Honours 4th semester. So let's see. Number 1. Sketch after the Thomas Gray the picture of the countryside at twilight. Answer টা দেখে নাও. At twilight the lowing herd moves slowly over the meadow in a zigzag course. The ploughman walks with heavy and tired steps towards his home. Daylight fades away and darkness slowly steps in. Next question দেখো. What is meant by the nail of parting day? Answer টা দেখে নাও. By the nail of parting day, Gray means the end of the day. Nail is the bell rung at the death of a person. Here, the end of the day has been compared to the death of a person. Next question দেখো. The lowing herd winds slowly over the lea. What is the meaning of the expression lowing herd? What picture does the line suggest? Answer টা দেখে নাও. The phrase lowing herd means the cattle mowing. When the cattle return homeward from the pasturage at twilight, they move slowly in a zigzag course, leaving a trail of dust behind and move freely. Next question দেখো. How was the village poet's nature of love of nature? Answer টা দেখে নাও. The village poet would rise very early in the morning and walk through the dewy grass to an upland to meet the sun. He would sit or lie down under a beech tree and look imaginatively at the flowing water of the brook below and talk to it. Next question দেখো. Some mute inglorious Milton here may rest, who is referred to here as some mute inglorious Milton and why? Answer টা দেখে নাও. Some villagers who had the potential as a poet has been referred to as mute Milton because the poetic genius of the village Milton did not find expression as a great poet. He has been called inglorious because he would not distinguish himself as a poet. Next question দেখো. What does Gray mean by some Cromwell guiltless of his country's blood? Answer টা দেখে নাও. Gray means that among the rude forefathers of the hamlet lying buried in the country churchyard, there may have been someone who could become a ruler like Cromwell, but he never shed the blood of his countrymen in civil war as Cromwell did. Next question দেখো. Their Lord forbade. Whose Lord is referred to? Sorry, এখানে Lord হবে LOT. What did their Lord forbid? Answer টা দেখে নাও. The Lord of the rude forefathers of the hamlet is referred to. Their Lord forbade them to become great men who shaped the history of their nation, to make their country wealthy and prosperous, to wade through pools of human blood to win kingship, to become cruel, to follow human beings to safety their lust for power, etc. Next question দেখো. He gave to misery all he had. What did the person refer to give and what did he gain? Answer টা দেখে নাও. The person referred to gave to the poor his sympathy because being the poor himself he had no money or wealth to give. He gained from heaven all he wished. That is a true friend. Next question দেখো. Now fades the glimmering landscape on the side. What landscape is suggest and what is mean by glimmering? Answer টা দেখে নাও. The landscape suggest is of the evening. The sun has set and darkness steps in to cover the fact of the earth. Glimmering means faintly visible at twilight. Next question দেখো. And all the year and solemn stillness holds. When does a solemn stillness hold the year and how is the solemn stillness broken? Answer টা দেখে নাও. A solemn stillness holds the year when darkness envelops the earth at nightfall. This solemn stillness is broken by the beetle flying in circles, producing a low, dull humming sound. The faint sound of the bells tied round the neck of the drowsy sheep in the fur of sheep folds, or the hooting of the owl from Ivy Mental Tower. So ভিডিওটি যদি ভালো লেগে থাকে প্লিজ লাইক শেয়ার অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল। এর পরের পার্টটা আলোচনা করব আমি নেক্সট ডে। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং, টাটা।